Sanibonani mphakathi wasemuzi wabantu. Ophambi kwenu namhlanje usakhe isizwe wakambutho Misibongo. Iward engisuka kuyona ke ngisuka lapha eWard 8. Ngithi angenze le video namhlanje because kune initiative la which I am very much interested in and engifisa ukuthi almost wonke umuntu okhona emphakathini wasemuzi wabantu athi take part in this big initiative. This initiative is an initiative yasemuzi wabantu. It's called Umuzi Wabantu Youth Parliament. It's an initiative yabantu abasha to try and combat a lot of social ills umphakathi obhekene nazo, because uzokhumbula ukuthi njengoba sisemphakathini sibhekene nezingqinamba eziningi ezibhekene nabantu abasha and umphakathi in general. So because ke le organization esibiza ngoMuzi Wabantu Youth Parliament i-organization yabantu abasha uku-addressa ke ama-issues abhekene nabantu abasha won't only address those issues, but it will address ama-general issues even abhekene nomphakathi as a whole. So lana ke le organization engikhuluma ngayo, it has got various sectors. Some of those sectors are education, social welfare, economic development, health. So those sectors independently azobe ebhekene or ebhekene nama social ills aqondene ngqo nawo lawo ma sectors. So here we have decided, or I have decided, to take part or to join and take and take charge in taking a campaign of becoming the president of this organization. So in order for me to achieve that, I will definitely need your votes. And I'm just going to speak about one thing out of all the sectors that I'm going to focus on, but I just want to speak about one sector which I believe it is going to assist a lot in this community. A lot of people in this community, or even in other communities as well, kune issue yokuthi abantu bayaphasa umatric but bangawuphasi kahle. Uthola ukuthi ama-APS scores wabo awakwazi ukuthi abafake kuma-universities or kuma-institutions of higher learning. Abanye, they do not pass at all, bayafeyila because of various issues, of course. So now, my take, or one of the things that I would like to achieve when I become the president of this organization, would be to form a network of all those people abafisayo ukuthi balungise izifundo zabo, so that they can get better marks, or so that abanye abangazange baphase bakwazi ukuthi balungise izifundo zabo baphase. Abanye kozothola ukuthi no mhlambe imaths azangayenze kahle akwazi uthaqondane nayo ngqo ke manje imaths sekhohlwe ezinye izifundo ukuze akwazi ukuthalungisa izifundo zakhe. So we're going to form that network, and then in that network we're also going to invite graduates, both employed and unemployed graduates in those specific fields, because we told him who's an engineer. An engineer, obviously, they studied mathematics at college or at varsity, wherever they were studying. By studying mathematics, so those people can come in handy in assisting those people. Tutoring lessons, nama mentorship from those people because maths by understanding other than just getting education from teachers only. So that network, we are going to invite graduates, unemployed graduates, employed graduates, and everyone who's interested to form part of the network, and those people who would like to change or to upgrade their results, so that sikwazi ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi babe nama marks amahle. That is just one effect. That is just one that I would like to speak about today. But if you come on the 23rd, you are going to listen to my manifesto, and you are going to hear all of it in detail ukuthi where in each and every sector what is it that I would like to do as umengameli we Umuzi Wabantu Youth Parliament. Thank you very much.